Okay, so real quick, I want to go through how to log into your MathXL. If you had MathXL before, what you're going to need to do is you want to start by signing in. So if you already had a MathXL account, go ahead and click sign in. And put in your username and password and sign in. When you sign in, this is going to take you to the previous course that you were enrolled in. So go ahead and click MathXL. It might try to route you to a previous course, or there might be nothing here. But what I want you to be concerned with is, do you see up here you will have your name? It shouldn't say Nick Shea because that's me. It should have your name. You're going to go click here, and you're going to click Enroll in a Course. Now, what I recommend you do is rather than reading off the numbers, because sometimes zeros looks like O's, go ahead and switch to a single box for copying and pasting. Now, where do you get the course ID for the course? That is all over our site. So if you take a look, there's instructions for MathXL here. It's on your syllabus. I've also got it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to paste it right here. And you see right here it says Math 130 Online Spring 2018, and then you just go ahead and click Enroll and you will be good to go.